Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today, I've got something from Taiwan. This is something new from a-sha Foods by way of a-sha Foods USA. Thanks for sending this over. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, cool. So there's a Korean group called BTS. I know absolutely nothing about them. Sorry, I've been living under a rock. And then there's Line, which is I believe an app or a social media. Another rock I've been living under. But Line and a-sha have done a special collaboration, and they've got this BT21 noodle. Let's check it out. And here we are. This is their a-sha street style variety noodle pack. This is a Dan noodle with BT21 sauce and with Dream Team scallion sauce. And this one's called the Galaxy Variety Noodle Box from a-sha. This is the Universe Star noodle with BT21 sauce and Galaxy Spicy sauce. So yeah, these are interesting collaborations. I wish I knew more about BTS and BT21 and Line, and I guess I'm gonna have to educate myself for the reviews, but yeah, 4 varieties in these 2 boxes, so sounds pretty interesting. I like to try anything from Taiwan, so yeah, this sounds neat. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.